welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my little bunny coloring page. Ta-da! I hope you guys follow along with me, and you need something to do with marker, a blue paper, and some craft tools. So I won't keep you any longer. Let's go to start it. Okay, so today I'm gonna color in the picture of the Fluttershy. Let's start on her face first. She had blue eyes. Next, let's make her body yellow. And her hair is light pink. And Fluttershy has the orange and red bow on her hair. And I'm all finished coloring Fluttershy. Next, I'm gonna cut her shape out of this picture. And paste this on blue background paper. And I'm all finished! Wow, the picture turned out so pretty, and I love it! Alright guys, thanks for watching! I hope you have fun in my world of colors, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up! And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button because I post fun video every single day. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!